What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today, well, I can't really film a lot because it's basically nighttime right now. And I mean, I'm just sitting here till 8:30. So yeah, well, I'm gonna have to turn you guys off in about 1 minute. So yeah, guys, hope you guys are going to enjoy this vlog of me sleeping. So basically, yeah. Peace. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and make sure to leave a comment if you like my channel. Bye.